children, I would like to tell you something about the word of the day. It is an activity which I feel is very important because the word of the day will enrich your vocabulary and your mind will become a miniature storehouse. These words, when used in sentences, will be retained in your mind and definitely boost your writing skills. So, I do hope each one of you is taking the word of the day seriously, and it will be a source of inspiration and definitely improvement in your spoken as well as written English. Thank you, children, and I do hope you like the activities we are having for you during your online classes. God bless.
Good morning to respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Sir, Junior Coordinator Sir, all the teachers of Julian Day School, respected parents, and my dear friends. I am Apurva Sarkar from Class 4B. In this presentation, I am going to speak about Word of the Day. It started few years back in Julian Day School, and the words are selected by Principal Ma'am, and each class is given a different word according to their level of class. Our Word of the Day feature can help anyone, students or adults, expand their vocabulary. Each day, we define a new vocabulary word, show how often it has appeared in the Times, highlight how it was used in a recent Times article, and then ask students to write an original sentence using the words. These words increases our vocabulary, knowledge, thinking, writing, grammar, speaking, and composition writing skills. We can make sentences and a creative chart using these words. I hope you like this presentation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ayushman Chatterjee. I am in class 4A, Julian Day School, Kolkata. My teacher gave me different words of the day. I have chosen the word Nirvana. The meaning of the word Nirvana is a state of perfect peace, harmony and happiness with the world enlightenment. I have also used this word in a sentence. The sentence is, the monk urged me to meditate until I reach Nirvana. Learning new words every day has really helped me enrich my vocabulary. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Siddhant Chaudhary from class 5 section A. I have made the word of the month calendar for June 2021. Here my favorite word is Nirvana. It is a Sanskrit word and means a state of perfect peace, happiness and harmony with the world. Lord Buddha attained Nirvana under the Bodhi tree. Thank you.
Good morning, Principal Ma'am. I am Pamitata. I study in class 1 in Julian Day School, Kolkata. This is my stroke of words. I learning many words from here. I enjoy it. I learn it.
Hello, myself Ayush Mukherjee from class 6B. I have made this chart for the word of the day. These words have helped me to increase my vocabulary. Thank you.
My name is Ranshul Gupta and I study in class 3B. We have learned many words as word of the day, out of which I have chosen a beautiful word, that is beauty. Beauty means a combination of many features. If I say a sentence about beauty, that would be The Mother Nature has her own beauty. That's all from me.
Good morning, Principal Ma'am. I am Rishit Sengupta from Class 1B. I made this word of the week, kite. I have learned many words. I enjoyed doing it. Thank you.
Good morning, Principal Ma'am. I am Priyanshu from Class 1A. I have learned lots of interesting words from the word of the day. Thank you.
My name is Shilagna Sharka and I study in class 6 at Julian School, Kolkata. And today I am going to show you a chart which contains many words. The words were given by my class teachers in a daily basis. This is the chart. This helped me to learn many words and gives me a very big quality of knowledge. So, thank you.
Hello, I am Maruhi Mukherjee. I read in Class 1A. Thank you, ma'am, for lots of new words. Feeling happy, like the flying birds. I am Obinibe Shaha, Class 2, Section A. She was tough.
Using words in our daily life. In our daily life, we use words on various occasions. While driving, we use correct words to get assistance for routes. Services like Twitter focus majorly on words and user giving out the message within limited words. Similarly, in the age of technology, we seek help from Siri to get suggestion and assistance. Here too, words play a major role because any confusion in your content won't help you get the result. Words can also play a major role when we search something online. In blogs or articles, web owners ensure that right keywords are used that may help in bringing good traffic. The team has to check what words are used by customers to buy products or service.
Hello everyone, I am Saksu Mitra from class 5B. These are all my new words that I learned from my school. These words are very useful. I can use these words in my English compositions. Here my favorite word is experiment. I like to learn new words. Thank you.
Good morning, Principal Ma'am, and all present there. I am Arav Purokasto. I am in class 1B. I made the word of the day. It was a very interesting activity. I learned a lot of new words.
My name is Shreyam Ghosh. I read in class 4A in Julian Day School. My teacher gave us the word of the day and I choose the word is prepared. The meaning of prepared is made ready for us. I can make a sentence with prepared. The sentence is I well prepared for my examination. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sayonde of class 5B. These are my 19 words of the day. Today I am going to tell that how these words helped in my day-to-day life. Some of these words are new to me and some I already knew. They helped me to write my letters, paragraphs, stories, etc. I also like to collect my new words as it is a part of my hobby. It helped me to improve my vocabulary skills. I always try to use these words while conversing with people. Thank you.
Respected Principal Ma'am, my class teachers and all my teachers, I am Arno Mujumdar from class 4B. Today I am showing word of the day. Today's word of the day is fortitude. First, pronunciation. Fortitude. Then, parts of speech. Noun. It is an abstract noun. Then, meaning. The meaning of the fortitude is strength of mind. Then, we will come in sentences. Sentence number 1. It will require a great deal of fortitude to become a doctor. Then, sentence number 2. Most successful men are not afraid to show fortitude when they face failure. That's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Yashojin Mondal from class 3A. I will explain my word chart to you. I imagined this tree. It's a tree of heaven whose branches are stretching to fulfill their dreams. The rainbow is God's blessing from which the beautiful sparkling words are created. Now, I will choose a word from this chart which is family. The family is like our backbone and it is one of nature's masterpieces. I hope everyone liked and enjoyed. Thank you.
Gratitude is the characteristic of the heart. I, Mehak Kumar of class 4B, on behalf of all the students of Julian Day School, Kolkata, would like to express our sincere gratitude to our respected Managing Trustee, Mrs. S.E. Broughton Ma'am, our Chairman Sir, Mr. J.G. Broughton, our Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Colin Smith, Vice Principal Sir, Mr. T. Ward, our Junior School Coordinator, Stanley Sir, and all our dear teachers for their continuous guidance, motivation, love, and never-ending support. We wish to thank our Principal Ma'am for introducing this very interesting and fruitful activity and for motivating us to give our very best. We wish to also thank our dear parents for their cooperation in assisting their children with their work, and last but not the least to all the students for their dedication and hard work. We hope you enjoyed watching this presentation as much as we enjoyed presenting it to you. Thank you. God bless.
This is an epoch where growth-oriented change is indispensable. Word of the Day is an innovative concept introduced by our dear respected Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Colleen Smith, which has brought about a new and refreshing learning for all of us in the year 2021. This is aimed at increasing our vocabulary. Usually it will be an obscure or little-known word or a word which is commonly misspelled, mispronounced or misused. The format will present the word with its correct spelling, pronunciation, definition and usage. This will be shown used contextually in a sentence. We have enjoyed and eagerly waited for these words every day. Today, we are here to showcase what we have learned.
Hello everybody, I am Shubhajit Goen from class 12A. What is meant by the word of the day? The term word of the day is used in periodicals, desk calendars, or even on the internet to describe a selected and promoted word for education and fun. Usually, it will be an obscure or little known word or a word commonly misspelled, mispronounced, or misused. The format will usually show the word with its correct spelling, then pronunciation, definition, and word usage. It will probably be shown in context or in a sentence. Some people adopt this with their own daily word, trying to use it as much as possible. Then again, some people reference it when they discover a word they didn't previously know, but it never actually tried to do this every day.
Hello everyone, this is Debanjan Basak from class 12A. Increasing the vocabulary is always something beneficial to us, and it always helps us in the long run and adds to our skills. Keeping the subjective in mind, word of the day has been introduced in our school, Julian Day School, Kolkata, by our honorable principal ma'am, and it has greatly helped all the students. First, it has helped us to learn a lot of new words. Every single day, we are provided with a new word, and we are also taught how to use it in a sentence. Second, we get to learn about the different pronunciations. The words which we previously used to pronounce in a wrong way are now clear to us. Third, having a strong vocabulary always helps us to create a very good impression in the first place. Fourth, having a good vocabulary always means that whenever we read something new, novels or books, we have a better and comprehensive understanding of the text. So, I feel that this initiative which is taken by our school is very important and helps our students to increase their vocabulary. So, let us learn some new words today, keeping in mind that learning has no end. Let us proceed to learn some new words and also how to pronounce them correctly.
This is Ishika Toor from class 12A. Our honorable principal ma'am has introduced word of the day, which has greatly helped all the students to increase their vocabulary. So, let us learn some new words today.
So, our first word is acquiesce. Pronunciation acquiesce in 3 syllables. Let us see the meaning. To accept, agree to something reluctantly but without arguing. Let's see an example now. He will acquiesce simply because he is a sick man. Our next word is avidity, pronounced as avidity, with 4 syllables. Meaning of this word is strong desire, eagerness or enthusiasm, a craving or passion for something. Example, Tim's avidity and eagerness to become a singer made him an international singing sensation today.
Hi, I am Satyam Dev from class 9B. The first word is levity. The meaning of the word is a manner of lacking seriousness. Let us understand it with a few examples. The first example is, when I watch movies, I prefer to see them with levity. Another one is, because getting a job like this is important to Jacob, he should not approach it with levity. The next word is saunter. The meaning of saunter is to walk about in an idle or in a leisurely manner. A few examples are, the audience thought that the model would saunter on the ramp. Since we are early for our flight by 6 hours, we should saunter around the airport.
Hello everyone, I am Mayra Meenakshi Chakravarti from class 8B, and my first word of the day is locavore.
Now let us spell the word. Locavore. Now let us know the meaning of this word. The meaning is a person who makes an effort to eat food that is grown, raised, or produced locally, usually within hundreds miles of home. Now let us see how we can frame a sentence by using this word. For example, many Long Islanders have used the locavore philosophy to inspire flexibility and freedom to create a Thanksgiving menu.
My next word is shenanigans.
Now, let's spell the word. Shenanigans. Now let us know the meaning of this word. That is mischief, tricks, or problematic activities. Now let us see how we can frame a sentence by using this word. For example, there are clearly some political shenanigans going on here.
I hope you enjoy my presentation. Thank you very much.
This is Rohan Bakshi from class 9. The first word is resplendent. The meaning is shining brightly. An example, he was resplendent in his black coat. The second word is benignity. The meaning is a good deed or favor, instance of kindness. An example, she thanked the benignity of a donor, her life was saved. The third word is ebullience. The meaning is the quality of being cheerful and full of energy. An example, that song was so ebullient that we started dancing. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello everyone, I am Shubhalakshmi Mukhopadhyay from class 8B. Now I am going to tell you 3 of them.
The first word is aficionado. The spelling is A-F-I-C-I-O-N-A-D-O. The meaning is a person who is very knowledgeable and enthusiastic about an activity or subject of pastime. Example, she is an art aficionado and a cake obsessive. My second word is cantankerous, which is spelled as C-A-N-T-A-N-K-E-R-O-U-S. Its meaning is one who is grumpy, bad-tempered, argumentative, and uncooperative. Example, he is getting a bit cantankerous in his old age. My third word is asseverate, which is spelled as A-S-S-E-V-E-R-A-T-E. Its meaning is to declare earnestly or solemnly, to affirm positively. Example, she did not asseverate anymore. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Pranisha Bhatta of class 8. Fascicle, meaning a separately published installment of a book. Example, the volume is made of a series of fascicles, each of which begins with a new document.
Hello everybody, I'm Sanj Banerjee from class 10A. Let's get to know more about the word ethereal. Firstly, we need to know the spelling, pronunciation and meaning of the word. The spelling is E-T-H-E-R-E-A-L and the word is pronounced as ethereal. The meaning is extremely delicate and light in a way that seems not to be of this world. Here's an example of how to use this word in a sentence. The dandelions all over the field looked ethereal.
Hi everyone, my name is Shaibi Adhya and I am from class 10A. So now, moving on to the word of the day. Before talking about the meaning and the use of the word, we first need to learn how to pronounce and to spell the word. The word is simpatico. S-I-M-P-A-T-I-C-O. Simpatico. For making proper use of this word, we first need to know the meaning of this word and how to apply it in a sentence. So now let's move on with the definition of the word. The meaning of the word is easy to get along with, likable, agreeable, friendly, and congenial. Giving an example will make this clear. Now let's check out a sentence. Due to the friends being so simpatico, they always did their projects together as a group.
Word of the day. Hello everybody, I am Krishna Sen from class 8B. Lassitude, meaning a state of physical or mental weariness, lack of energy. Example, after the long race, Jax experienced a feeling of lassitude.
Hello, I am Sahitya Mondal of class 7B. Our respected principal ma'am and our class teachers had organized a function which is known as the word of the day. The word is burgeon. It means to grow rapidly or to flourish. A sentence of burgeon is, the actor hopes that the use of social media will burgeon his personality.
I, Agniv Kumar Roy from class 12A.
Schism. It means a split or division between strongly opposed section or parties caused by difference in opinion or belief. Let's see an example with this word schism. After World War II, there was a schism between East and West Germany.
Hello everyone, this is Chandrajit Saraswat from class 10A, and let's have a look at some of the words that were given to us by our teachers as the word of the day. We're going to be taking a look at their meanings and their applications in a sentence.
The first word is sarang. First we're going to take a look at the spelling. The spelling of sarang is S-A-R-A-N-G. The word sarang means the feeling of wanting to be with someone until death. Romeo had a sarang for Juliet. The word rabid means having or proceeding from an extreme or fanatical support of or belief in something. Examples of rabid in a sentence. Rabid viewers of the television show repeatedly watch their favorite episodes. When the millionaire joined the cult, he became a rabid follower who donated most of his fortune to the religious group.
As we know it today, is full of anxiety and a sense of uncertainty prevails all around us. But we should always stay positive and keep learning new things in our lives. We would once again like to thank our dear Principal Ma'am for her heartful approach and for helping us learn new words and boost our vocabulary in such a meaningful and systematic manner. This exercise challenges each of us to inculcate newness and widen our minds to face the challenges of our times. Thanks to Word of the Day, we have taken a big step forward in learning together.